In this video today, I want to show you guys 5 ways to make money from TikTok. I'm sure that every one of you guys watching this video today have a TikTok account and you have the app on your phone. In short, you've scrolled through that app right here today. Now, if you've actually done any of this, let me know in the comment section below. Just type in yes, I have opened up TikTok today in the comment section below. Now, if you've opened up TikTok, then there is a very huge probability that you've seen a lot of content right there, and at the same time even seen some of my own content as well. But the question here is, how exactly can you actually leverage on TikTok and make money for yourself? The major thing is TikTok is actually one of the hottest social media platforms right now. I'd even say that now TikTok has this gluey experience where you open up the app and you are stuck on this particular space. But the question here is, are you making money while you are on this app? And most of you guys already know the answer. Well, for most of you guys, I think the answer is no. But then, if you already are making money via TikTok, tell me, yes, Franklin, I'm making money on TikTok in the comment section below. Let me know those of you guys that are actually smart and ahead of others. Now, in order to walk us through all of these 5 steps, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of steps that I personally have used to earn money for myself, and other steps that I have seen a couple of friends also use to make money via this particular space. So if you actually want to learn all of this, make sure you are right here and you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any of these steps for yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I share with you guys those tips and tricks and strategies that will help you to start up and scale your own online business. And in this video, we're going to be discussing 5 ways to make money via the TikTok application on your phone. And I'm not going to be taking much of your time. I'm going to be jumping straight into these 5 ways, one after the other. I'll be breaking every of these particular steps down in order to help you to understand what it is and how it works. And most especially, I'm also going to be giving you a bonus tip that would actually crown all of this up and help you as well to earn money from this space. Now, the very first one here is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you are selling other people's products and you are making money in commissions via each sale you make. And this is actually one of the oldest ways to make money online, exactly where you are able to find a particular product that is going to be very beneficial to your audience and you are selling it to them. But not just selling it to them, you already have an agreement on how much you make per sale with the product owner, and once you make this particular sale, you get your own commission. Now, how this works in particular is you having a unique link to that particular product just for you, and you're able to carry this link and post it on any space. So for example, on TikTok, you're able to put this link on your bio, and when people start clicking on this particular link, they buy the product, you also make sales for yourself. Okay, this is the first one. Now, the second way to make money via TikTok is selling your own digital products, right? Most people that are on TikTok are actually selling their products or their services. And this is another way to make money via the TikTok platform. For example, I run a digital marketing agency and I'm here on TikTok sharing with you guys a series of content and insight on digital marketing and selling my products alongside. So I could actually have a link to a consultation session or a link to my course on my bio, and once you click on it, it takes you right straight to my product which you are going to buy. And the third one right here is brand deals and sponsorship. Now, this is exactly when you have been able to grow a lot of attention on your own TikTok account. For example, I'm going to be using a comedian and skit maker, Sabinus, who has grown millions of followers on TikTok and also on several social media channels. Now, all he has to do is to just sit right there and keep on thinking of series of content to create. But due to the fact that he's been able to grab people's attention with his kind of content, a lot of companies are going to be reaching out to him in order for him to push their products. Okay? So this is exactly how it works here. So he is going to be acting as the brand ambassador and he's going to be able to promote this product to every one of you guys out there, of which you're basically going to buy. But in turn, he is going to be paid for this promotional content. right? So you can actually get this deal of, you know, 1 million or 2 million, millions of naira basically, and is able to create that content for that particular brand. Now this is exactly how all of these guys with huge attention in this particular space are able to, you know, afford the kind of lifestyle they live. Now, if you actually want to grow your own account in order to be able to start getting brand sponsorship and deals right here on TikTok, then you want to see this video where I showed you how to grow your TikTok account from 0 to over 100k followers in less than 60 days. I'm going to be leaving the link to that particular video right down there in the description. And as well, the video where I also share with you how you can actually grow your TikTok account and monetize it with affiliate marketing, that as well is going to be in the description of this particular video. So you want to go ahead and watch it right now. Now, the fourth way to make money on TikTok is by getting reward and gifts from fans, right? So let's take, for instance, you have a talent and you are able to, you know, showcase that talent. It could be singing, it could be dancing, it could even be playing musical instruments, right? You come up here on the platform and you are able to showcase this talent you have and just do your thing. And you will come people who will come sit right there and watch your show like it's a live concert, and they are going to be gifting you, right? You can liken this to that concert you actually attended a few days back, and people actually would buy tickets to visit this content. But here on TikTok, people do not buy tickets. It's free to access as far as you are following this person or this particular live has been suggested to you by TikTok. And once you're on there, you can actually get to buy series of coins with which you can use to get gifts that you can gift this particular, you know, creator, right? So creators are able to get rewards and gifts, and these gifts can accumulate and earn you over $100 on a daily basis. Now the fifth one here is influencer ads, and you can only run influencer ads if you have grown your TikTok account to a particular number. Now this is exactly where, you know, a series of people get to reach out to you in order for you to just post their content right on your page. Now this is simply because you also have this attention and they want to leverage on the attention you have, right? It could be an individual who is looking at selling off his products, coming to reach out to you to post his product so that you can actually gather enough sales on that particular product. And you can actually proceed and do that for him, but then you still get paid. Okay, now these are 5 ways to make money right here on TikTok. And I can tell you there are several other ways to also make money as well on TikTok. And if you know any other way aside these 5, let me know in the comment section below. And as well, guys, if you're currently using any of these 5 to make money on TikTok, do well to let me know the one you're currently using to make money right here on the TikTok platform. I've created a series of content around TikTok that would help you to start up and scale your TikTok account in a very short period of time, and also help you to monetize this account so that you can make money for yourself from this space. Make sure to check the links to these videos in the description of this particular video, and with this you are good to go. Alright, if you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up right now, and as well you make sure to share this video to people who might be interested in getting started with this. Do well to subscribe to this particular channel and smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our videos. We have a community where I notify you on my series of content, so if you're interested in series of content like this one where I share with you how to scale in the online space, if you want to join the community, the link is in the description section below. And also do not forget to follow me on TikTok. Yeah, follow me on TikTok so that you're going to be getting more short content like this one. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.